This is a family project. It was a lot of fun to work together with my son and my husband. Nevertheless, we also experienced some challenges. I can't wait to share with you how we created this beautiful garden and a vertical garden using wood. Designs, unique expressions. So let me show you how we created this beautiful vertical garden. I am going to be using this universal reusable sanding disc for the first time. You shake them and then you clean them a little bit so you can reuse them. I'm sanding all the woods before I apply the stain because I want the wood to be soft to the touch and not too rough. My son had a hard time putting this on the wall first because we were using probably not the best drill, so we went and got ourselves a better drill. Using a 1-inch diameter spade bit and a better drill for this project, Gustavo was making 3 circles on this wood, but it's not going all the way in. It's just for the washer and the knob to sit. And with the right size bit, he's opening up the hole where the sleeve anchors are going to go. We are using dark walnut stain for the project, and we're using the sleeve anchors for concrete. We're gonna be needing the rubber hammer and the wrench. We help Gustavo put the second one to make sure that they're both going to be level. Do you reach the top, Gustavo?
Yeah, well, it's like a start. Got it. All be good.
Now it's just us because Gustavo had to go back home, but he helped us so much. Now we are just making sure that we have all the horizontal wood cut. Once we cut all of them 5 feet long, I'm making sure that I'm going to be sanding them using 180 grit sandpaper. And after, I'm going to be staining all this wood using dark walnut, which is the same stain color that I use for the vertical wood. And to protect the wood, I'm going to be using this Minwax clear satin for outdoors, making sure that the stain is completely dry. And I apply 2 coats of this clear satin coat. And this is the fun part, selecting the plants and flowers that are going to go in the garden. We are here at our local home improvement store, Lowe's, selecting them. And there's so many choices. We are selecting some for a lot of sun and some for shades because we are buying for both the garden in front of the house and the vertical garden. I selected a lot of succulents because they are beautiful and they last forever. Now it's time to hang all the horizontal wood, and I'm going to have to measure and plant where I want each wood to go. and I did my best measuring where everything was gonna go. For the ones that are going to be covering the part where the screws are, we need to make a dent, and my husband's helping me with the rubber hammer, and then he's opening up a little bit of the wood so the screw will fit flat on the wood instead of bumping out. I hope I'm making sense. Now, using the level, very important, so the wood is straight. We're going to be nailing all the horizontal wood on both of the vertical wood. I am so grateful for my husband because he pushes me to get out of my comfort and face my fears. I'm not sure why, but every time I have to deal with the compressor and the pneumatic gun, I get nervous. So I was trying for him to do it for me, and he said no. He said, no, I don't want to do it. This is you. You need to do it. And I pushed myself and did it. I have to say, what helped me is also following his advice. I wrote down the steps, and then I'm going to create a label and put it on the air compressor, so every time I have to use it, I follow the steps. Yes, I am very grateful that he pushes me. Now we're going to be just placing all these hangers on the wood. I am using my Black & Decker drill to hang all these rings to the wood. At the end, we ended up adding another wood on the top. And now it's just selecting where all of them are going to go. And that's it. I think they came out beautiful. Both gardens are so beautiful and happy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And press the bell notification to be notified next time I upload a new video. Until next time, goodbye.